Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what many consider the best colored scouring pads on the market, the Hoolerry 100PC's heavy-duty scouring pads. These multi-colored scrub pads are designed to make your kitchen cleaning easier, faster, and more effective. Each pad measures approximately 4.3 by 3 inches with a thickness of 0.3 inches, making them a perfect size to comfortably hold in your hand for scrubbing. The compact dimensions allow for easy handling and reach into those tricky spots on your pots, pans, and grills. Plus, their multicolored design isn't just for looks, it helps you keep track of your pads and switch them out as needed. What sets these scouring pads apart is their heavy-duty construction made from high-quality polyester. This material gives them excellent durability, meaning they are sturdy enough to tackle tough grease and grime without tearing or deforming easily. They are also reusable, so you can use them multiple times before replacement, which adds to their value. Despite their strength, these pads are designed to be non-scratch, which means they're safe for use on a variety of surfaces including porcelain, wood, glass, plastic, and stone. This versatility is ideal if you want one cleaning tool that can handle dishes, cookware, stovetops, microwave ovens, and even metal grills without worrying about damaging them. The texture of the Hoolerry scouring pads is tough enough to remove stuck-on food and grease quickly, offering a powerful cleaning performance. At the same time, their design helps create plenty of foam with your regular dish soap, which makes the cleaning process more efficient and satisfying. When it comes to quantity, this pack comes with 100 pads, which is more than enough to meet your daily cleaning needs, whether at home or in a busy kitchen environment. Having a large supply means you can replace used pads often, ensuring hygiene and effectiveness without running out anytime soon. In summary, the Hoolerry heavy-duty colored scouring pads provide a great balance of size, durability, cleaning power, and surface safety. Their multicolor design, ample quantity, and reusable nature make them a smart and practical choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen cleaning tools. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.